How to set up parental controls on the Play Store. This tutorial shows you how to restrict content and keep things age appropriate on your device. First, open the Play Store on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right. From there, tap on Settings. Right here, scroll down and tap on Family. Then tap on Parental Controls. Next up, toggle on parental controls. You'll be asked to create a PIN to protect these settings, so choose one you'll remember and tap OK to confirm. Moving on, once parental controls is enabled, you'll see several content categories you can restrict: apps and games, films, TV, and books. From here, tap on apps and games first. You'll see different rating levels from everyone all the way up to adults only. Select the maximum rating you want to allow and tap Save. After that, go back and tap on Films and do the same. Choose the appropriate rating limit for movies and tap Save. Following this, go back and tap on TV and set your preferred restriction level and tap Save. Next, go back one more time and tap on Books. Select your preferred setting and tap Save. Finally, with all categories set, your parental controls are now fully active. Anyone who tries to change these settings will need to enter your PIN first, so your restrictions stay protected. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.